How to add categories menu on Wix. So click on the add elements button right here from the left hand side, then click on blog, and then after it has set up a blog, it might take a little bit of time for you, but after it has set up a blog, then you want to go to categories menu and you want to choose the one that you want to drag and drop. So I'm going to do this first one right here. So basically if you drag and drop it, then as you can see, you will see a list of all of your posts here. And basically if you want to edit this, you have to click on settings. You can manage different categories. You can also customize the design. But for example, let's click on manage categories and it will take us to another page right here. It's a dashboard, so it's gonna load up a completely different dashboard. But basically if you want to add a new category, you click on new category right here. You have to title it untitled category. You can add an image as well, and it's going to appear like so: URL slug. So every page ends with a slug. It tells them how it ends on untitled category. So this is like a different category. So basically after you have completed this, you want to click on save. And then as you can see, now we have one and we can edit it if we want to change anything, or we can rearrange it as well. And now we have one category. As you can see, all posts, untitled category. We added one new one. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.